Hey guys, welcome to tutorial 1 of my YouTube channel. So today we're going to do the moonwalking just like Michael Jackson. So this will be done in just 1 minute tutorial. You can learn it by yourself easily. So don't forget to watch and share. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's get on with the tutorial. We're going to start the moonwalking tutorial today. So here's what we're going to do. There's first step. You're going to take the leg of your choice and put it on its toe, just as shown in the video. Then you're going to give all your weight on the other leg and push it back. Then you're going to switch the legs. And now you push the other leg back. And then you switch again. And then you push again. Switch and push. So you repeat the process. And remember, while you do this, just like Michael said, do not slide on this part. Slide on the heel of the shoe. Remember, slide on the heel of the shoe and not on the front part of the shoe. So we are sliding with the heel. So again, put it on the tip of your toe and slide the other one backwards. Switch the legs, slide the other one backwards. And just repeat the process. Now as you get used to this, you notice that the moonwalk is coming.